guys, so I picked up 4 of the new sticker books that were just released by the Happy Planner. So I'm gonna do a flip through for all 4 of them. There are other sticker books out there, but these are the ones that I picked up. So if you are still, you know, kind of debating on what to get, I'm gonna be doing these flip throughs for you guys, and I hope you enjoy it. So today I'm gonna be flipping through the fall sticker book. I did a unboxing of all the things that I got from the 2021 release that Happy Planner just had. So I picked up 4 sticker books, and this is the last one I'm going to be flipping through. This is the second fall sticker book from the Happy Planner. I bought the one that they came out with last year and loved it. I used it a lot, and then I was like, should I get this one again or should I get the new one? And then I watched some flip through videos a couple weeks ago, and they had some different stuff in here, so I was like, let me go ahead and get it. So let's get to this flip through. So here's the front. This is a 514 piece sticker book. All right, front page, we have pumpkin spice everything, go on a nature walk, watch a fall movie. Down here, make fall treats. Make fall treats, go apple picking, run a turkey trot, okay. Fall vibes, keep it real, make candy apples, visit a haunted house. I'm good on that. Go to a fall festival. Most of the fall festivals here I think are canceled, unfortunately, but yeah. Get cozy and have some tea, visit a pumpkin patch, and buy Halloween candy. Okay, we have a page full of paper stickers, and these are all leaves, and they do have a bit of copper foiling on there. We have some acorns as well, super cute. This page, same thing with the leaves, but these don't have any copper foil, and this is a paper page of stickers. And then we have these cobwebs, these ghosts, and the ghosts are kind of like faded, which is, you know, pretty cool, and so are the clouds. Then we have these haunted Halloween houses. We have some friendly bats. We have the moon and some stars. We have candy corn down here. Do you guys like candy corn? I actually like it. I'll eat a few of them. I'm not probably gonna eat like a whole bag, but I don't think they're nasty. I kind of like them. And then this page is purple, so when you take the sticker off, the sticker is gonna be outlined in purple. So this page, we have some of the like monthly stickers. But you can, I've been saying this in all my videos, but you can use monthly stickers in your weekly spreads as well. So we have Thanksgiving festivities, let's go to the pumpkin patch, fall fun, time and place, let's get cozy, trick-or-treating, Halloween party with friends, and then at the bottom we have today and give thanks, family game night, and some functional boxes on the side. I like this functional box here because it looks like candy corn. Okay, then we have some double boxes, Halloween party, happy Halloween, so grateful. And then on the side we have like what, when, where, those kind of functional boxes on the side. And then we have a pumpkin sticker at the bottom. All of these are paper stickers. Okay, on this page we have some decorative stuff. We have, what does this say up here? 31, it says, I cast a spell on you, double double, toil and trouble. And then it says ghosts and goblins all around this here. So you would put that on Halloween, wicked without coffee. Then it says boo, pumpkin sweets, and spooky treats. Yeah, I'm a big fan of rainy weather, so rainy day weather, love that. Friendsgiving, we have this bat, skull, turkey, pumpkin pie. This hedgehog, I think that's a hedgehog, or a porcupine. Rake leaves, and then 31st down there in burgundy. And some of these stickers have gold foil on them as well. If I do an accent with my spreads, it's usually gonna be gold. Okay, so this page of decorative stickers are all paper stickers, super cute. Thanksgiving turkey here. We have give thanks. So this turkey has a hat on. We have some pumpkin pie, well, a slice of pumpkin pie, then we have like a whole pie. cinnamon stick here. Fall baking. Then we have some more. We have a slice of pumpkin pie again and a whole pie. Then we have this sweater that says it's fall, y'all. Ooh, look at that page. Some nice copper foil on this page. Autumn is here. Oh my gosh, like literally autumn is like a week away. Autumn is here with copper foil and some acorn spice sprinkled in there with some leaves. And then we have Hello Pumpkin Season. And then we have this big sticker down here that says fall. This is exciting. Feline Spooky. Then we have these double boxes down here. It says thankful. And then this looks like a Halloween party kind of sticker right there. Then we have these functional boxes on the side that says remember today errands, to-do list. And then we have shopping down there as well. And then it kind of repeats. Then we have this page here with double boxes and gold foil. And the headings are too much to be thankful for, double toil and trouble, rainy day weekend, and then some functional boxes on the side. So let's a good look at it. Okay, and then we have this page of different wreaths, and this is very similar to the winter sticker book. And if you haven't watched that video, check it out. But this page has different colors like orange and mustard yellow and greens and stuff. And then we have this page here. Pick out, this is kind of like a bucket list kind of page. So pick out a pumpkin, Friendsgiving, so thankful for my friends. And then we have some gold foil sprinkled in there. All of these are paper stickers. Then we have your creeping me out with a cat at the bottom with a bat suit on. Then we have fall memories, season of gratitude, all the fall colors. It's feeling like fall, boo. And then we have rainy days are my favorite. They legit are, so I'm going to use that. Rake leaves, warm and cozy, seasonal fave. Oh my gourd, I love fall. And then we have this page here with like quote stickers, and these are all clear stickers here, but I love fall most of all. Give thanks, and then autumn season. I'm not gonna front, this sticker book here has me hype for all of the fall spreads, y'all. November, September, October. Again, these are really good for when you're doing you know, like bullet journaling spreads and you need like a title. Super cute. Okay, then we have this page of like purple foil, which is very different for, you know, the Happy Planner. I don't really see purple foil that often. So this page says Wicked, this sticker says Wicked without coffee, making memories, creep it real, pumpkins, sweets and spooky treats, and then boo with little spiders on it. And these are all clear stickers. This page here, we have Oh My Gourd, I love fall. It's in like a cream color with pumpkins and a heart at the top. Super cute. Yeah, I wonder how that'll photograph because that's pretty light overall, but hopefully it'll show up. Then we have leaves and acorns and some more plants and stuff. And then down here we have Happy Halloween. And then at the bottom we have autumn vibes, and this sticker at the bottom with the leaf says fall favorites, and then fall favorites again. Okay, and then we have this page full of colorful boxes that have a little bit of decoration on them. We have these leaves and acorns, spiders, some more plants, and then this cat in a vampire outfit. Look at this guy. And then in the middle we have some washi stickers. Another page of different colorful boxes. So we have this page full of colorful boxes. Love the mustard. Then we have a mug right there of hot chocolate that says love fall. We have this winter hat, this toboggan. We have this apple, fall fun. Some, I think these are like pine leaves. And then we have this plant down here. Okay, this page here, we have this cat wrapped up in like mummy wrap. It's fall, y'all. Hello, pumpkin season. Give thanks, autumn vibes. Let our hearts be full of thanks and giving. And then in the middle, we have let's stay home and snuggle, coffee, and all the fall things. And then boo. And these are all like monthly stickers, but you can use them in your weekly spreads as well. Some more of those monthly stickers. Autumn is here, noted. Boo, first day of fall. Oh, that's nice. Cozy weather vibes today. Remember, and then feline spooky. Oh, I think I died when I watched the flip through and saw this page. I forgot about it. Look at all these illustrations. Like, I love this page. We have that toboggan here. The little sweater patterns kind of look like hearts, and I think it looks so cute. I hope you guys see that well. Super cute. Okay, so it says soft hats. We have this like cage thing that houses the candle that says pumpkin spice. Fall scented candles. Yes, it's time for them. It's time for the fall scented candles. Let's bring them out. Autumn spice, Pride and Prejudice. We have this knitting situation going on. Knitting all the cozy things. We have the sleep mask, fall treats, relax, this cute mint pillow, and then this umbrella down here. This page we have more icons. This page was all paper stickers, and so is this one. We have this burgundy scarf here with little leaf patterns on there. Cozy mittens, some plants, some mittens on there. This is like a coffee kettle. Hot cocoa, this love letter here. Well, I'm assuming it's a love letter because it has a heart on it. Then it has apples. We have warm blankets. We have an actual blanket, another blanket here, and some leaves, all paper stickers. We have this page of remember today stickers, and these are all functional. Then we have this page of paper stickers with Halloween themed things on there. Skulls, spiders, this banner here for a Halloween party, suckers, pumpkins, and then because this page is orange, when you take it off, it'll be outlined in orange. Okay, then we have some more of these cat puns. Hocus Purchus, okay, happy Malloween. Meowoween. I feel so dumb saying this stuff. You're creeping me out. I'm sorry. Some of these puns are just so goofy. And then we have these little banners for Halloween parties. This page here is full of clear stickers. This page here is full of clear stickers. We have apples, fall fun, cozy weather vibes. If it's raining, then I'm not coming. Probably. That's probably true. And then we have these leaves and pumpkins. A pumpkin. Another page of clear stickers with some cat puns and cats on there. A cat in a like skeleton costume. A cat dressed up as a vampire. Feline spooky. Creeping me out. Happy Meowoween. And then some more cats decorated or in costumes. Then we have this page of different letters, and it's in kind of an orangey copper foil. Then we have this shopping list here, this long shopping list with items, store, and then this shopping list sticker here. Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Small Business Saturday. Ooh, this is really good, like that. I'm only a morning person on Black Friday. I used to work in retail for a long time, so I'm not a fan of Black Friday. Things to buy, stores to visit, people to shop for, budget, wish list, and then it kind of repeats. Shopping list, gift list. And then we have this page here with clear stickers, very nice illustrations, and a really nice color palette. We have this it's kind of a brown foil here, with a cream wreath around it. It's super cute. Friendsgiving, thankful. We have this tea kettle here with a teacup. These brown mittens. Then we have fall fun, and then we have this bundle of different leaves with some copper or brown foil. And that is all. I have done flip throughs for all of the sticker books that I got from the Happy Planner 2021 release. Yeah, so check them all out. I have 4. I didn't buy a lot of sticker books from this particular release, but the ones that I did pick up, I really do like them. So make sure to check out all the other videos. I will have a like sticker flip through playlist for you guys to check out. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. Drop me some love down below. Make sure you are subscribed and your notifications are turned on. And follow me on my Instagram, which is HeartsAndAPlan as well. And just leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.